Hello everyone, my name is Roya. I'm the co-founder of Handmake and a crochet and knitting instructor. In this video, I want to show you how to hold the yarns and the crochet hook, how to make a chain, and how to do single crochet. I'm using DK yarn from my own brand. It's hand dyed. And I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. If you prefer thicker yarn, you can go with worsted weight yarn and use a 5mm. It's totally up to you. Both are okay. Let's get started with the very first step. How to make a slip knot. Make a loop, place it over the yarn. As you see in the video, insert the hook, pull the middle yarn through, and that's your slip knot. Now let's see how to hold the yarn and the crochet hook. I'm holding the hook in my right hand and the yarn in my left hand. Hold the hook however feels natural. Pencil grip, knife grip, or any other ways you're more comfortable with, all are okay. Then in your left hand, try holding the yarn in a way that feels good. You can wrap it around your fingers or just pass it through gently. It's all about what gives you control and comfort. Here I've wrapped the yarn around my finger and I'm holding the slip knot with 2 fingers. This helps me control the yarn before starting. Now let's make a chain. Make yarn over and pull through the loop. As you see in the video I am showing you. This is one chain. Again, yarn over, pull through. Keep going like this. Continue like that. Yarn over, pull through. Just focus and practice until you feel more comfortable. Now let's make single crochet. Make one extra chain first. Insert the hook into the second chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, pull through both loops. One single crochet is done. Make one single crochet in every chain until the end of the row. That's the end of row 1. Make one chain and turn your work as you see in the video I am showing you. Start your single crochet in the second chain. So skip the first chain we already made and go to the second one. This is your first real stitch of the row. Repeat this in each stitch until the end of the row, just like you see here in the video. Make one chain, cut the yarn and pull the hook up. That's it. You are done.